On the way to swimming, people. Hi, people. Nandito na tayo. And yeah, there's a room here. Oh, there you go. Look. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Kita nyo ba yan? Daming isda. And yan. Wow. And yan si Kuya. And picture. Ito, naninibago. And may gazebo dito, guys. Yeah, there's a gazebo. Kita nyo yan. That's a gazebo. And iwan natin yung bag natin dito kasi masakit pag binibit-bit. Ayan na si Alex! Alex is andyan na. Ayan. Super excited siya, guys. and CJ. And yan, swimming pool. Si Alex, super excited. Wow! Water!
Hindi ka dyan pwede.
Malalim yan.
Naku, never mamaya na.
Yan si Ate Nicole.
Excited din kami.
Si CJ. Mayaman ka.
Tol, tandaan mo ha.
Dito tayo
Pag pupinula, dahil ka magdiretso paglangoy. Pag nag-raingo ka, dahil pag nagpulapundo. Please, pag nag-gilo rin eh.
guys is we're gonna go sa mga rooms and inabangan tayo ni CJ. Let's go look for this. Mabigat body gila po. And guys, this is the place. Look.
May kukulong sa bitis.
Kita nyo? Sa table. Ayan.
You need to get up.
No. And guys, pasok ka sa room namin. Oh, wow. Wow. There's two beds.
And another.
Yeah, there's so many. Ayan ang room, guys. Model. Model. Paglabas mo guys is makikita mo agad yung pool, which is that one. And guys, look, there's gazebo. That's gazebo. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa gazebo, guys. And there's also a shower. There's so many chairs. Wow. guys, like, that's the pool and the view. It's very nature. Susunod tayo guys, kasi andyan sila, andun. Bago tayo umuwi, let's explore this place. Oh, panis ka. Meron dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Dito sila sa unahan. Oh my God. Kita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Malamang hindi. Ayun yung nakikita ko. Very nature this place. It's very, very nature. Yun. When you cut away. It's time to go home. Bye-bye. Well packed.
Kasawa na kita sa barangayang buhay.
Yes. Uuwi na kami, people.
Salamat po sa mga viewers. Mga kupal.
Ayan na guys. Uuwi na kami guys.